Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing an Urban Planet haul, girl. Oh my god, get your life. Anyway, man down over there. Okay, so I went to Urban Planet and I spent almost $200. So I wanted to show you guys because you guys let me know that there was a Playboy. Oh, by the way, my hair. Hello. Yes, girl. We are here. We are Ariana. Inspiration by Ariana Grande. Braided version. You guys know I love big fat braids and I cannot lie. If you want to know details of this, you can go to my Instagram and get your life there, girl. Oh my god, I love this hair. I'm Megan Thee Stallion all of a sudden. You guys were telling me that Urban Planet had a Playboy bunny collection and I needed to run, do not walk, girl. Go, 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 get it. And show us. You're like, by the way, show us. So that's what I'm doing today. And I got some other things as well. So this is just a big Urban Planet haul. I'm not calling it the Playboy claw. What is that? Claw? A haul with a C. This is annoying. Hello. So I'm just gonna show you guys all of the Playboy stuff I got first, and then we will go into the other stuff. So I can't try this on for you guys right now. By the way, I'm gonna try all the other things on. I've been loving nude lately, everything nude. I feel like a Kardashian. So just that's that. So the first thing I got was this Playboy snapback. Playboy here. I'm like, what? Urban Planet's really like stepping it up. Like, hello 2021. Urban Planet's like a cheaper place, but they have good quality clothes, but not like amazing quality clothes. Like, it's not gonna twist it. You can't like get 100 uses out of it. Why is my face stuck like this? But like if you just want to wear something a couple times, or if you just want like a tank top to wear underneath clothes, or like to layer, Urban Planet's your place. It's cheap. Then they always have sales. So it's a snapback and it has a little Playboy bunny there. Looks like this. It's beautiful. It says Playboy all over it. I think I'm gonna get lots of use. I can't try it on right now because my hair's like I can't. I was gonna make it talk. Holy, I'm not okay. In the summer, like going to the beach, going to the lake, I think like snapback like this that's nice and breathable is good, and if it falls into the water it's not that bad. Oh, because it was $11.99. That's so cheap. Okay, then I got this, and I got this in a size large because I wanted this really oversized. It looks like this, and it's Playboy, girl. It has a little Playboy, actually a big Playboy symbol right here in pink. I love this black on nude with the pop of color. And does it say anything? No, I just want that away there. This is what it looks like. It's like kiss a guy's neck and a city, me. That's what it looks like, and it's a very nice material. It's stretchy, yummy, and I wanted this to wear with like biker shorts and some boots. This is like kind of the vibe that I'm going with now. Cutesy. Okay, nice and oversized. I love that. I wish they had Playboy jewelry. I would have been like all up in that. Okay, I got 2 pairs of biker shorts. I didn't try on anything. I don't know why I didn't try on anything. So if everything looks messed up, I'm sorry. Got these biker shorts. They are very stretchy and spandexy. These reminded me of the Lululemon kind and not the typical Urban Planet kind. So the typical Urban Planet kind are like very let's say low quality. I'm not dissing them, but they are just lower quality and you can see right through them. These ones felt more like the stretchy spandexy, and right here. Also, do we always have to be label whores, you guys? Yeah, we do. Just kidding. But I mean, like if I'm buying the brand for the brand, I want to show the brand, you know? So this is what it looks like. It's nice and like rhinestone. It's $20 for this, but the Playboy collection was on sale. Like it was 40% off. I don't know. So I don't know if I was late to the game, girl, or if they were just having a sale. So these are gonna be so cute all summer, if they fit me. And then I got the same ones in this nude, but it has a pink Playboy bunny there. These are adorable. I love that they're high-waisted. Oh, I'll put it up here. I love that they're high-waisted. What if we could wear it as a shirt too? TikTok hacks with Samantha. This would look cute with my outfit right now. Oh, yes. With like a little throw over. And then I got 2 tank tops. They were displayed with these. They are 2 different materials though. Like this is like more like not a sweater material, but I'm so bad with materials. This is like more like a spandex, and this is like a ribbed tank. But oh my god, is this me? Girl, this Playboy tank? Bye. I'm trying to get the freaking tag away. Here's what it looks like. There's the sparkly Playboy bunny there, and it's nice and like opened up. Like it's not so closed in. Your tatas have room to breathe, girl. They have mouths. They need to breathe. Like give them their lung air. What? Give them their long hair, and it's nice and cropped. Oh my god, this collection was just like, I just scooped up everything I possibly could. And then the last clothing item I got was this tank top here, and I like how some are like Playboy and others are like more Playboy. It's like, shh, whisper. I like to whisper too. And they look like this. Cute. And then I got a pair of these socks. So there was 2 pairs in here. They're high socks, but not so high, you know. They're $11.99, and I want to wear these with my Gucci slides this summer. I don't know if that's like a no-go. I don't know if it's not supposed to. I've just been having this obsession to wear my Gucci slides with some tube socks. And when I saw these, I was like, ugh. But does Playboy and Gucci, do they clash? I need to know. Actually, I don't care. Don't let me know. Oh, just you know, let me do my thing and then laugh at me on Twitter. I got some other little items that are not Playboy, like these shorts, like hi. These are so cute. As soon as it's summer, I'm gonna be wearing stuff like this outfit together. Oh, but right now I have to like keep wearing leggings just for a little longer. But these are amazing. So these were $19.99. Oh, by the way, those shirts were $19.99 as well. So yeah, I loved these. I love the pink ones the most, but I don't know, I didn't like the sayings on them. I didn't really like the sayings on the shorts, but these ones had butterflies. And the butterflies look like this. They look like they're not like the best quality, but I think I'm gonna wear these out when it is summer. And then if they do get distressed or anything like that, depends on how they look, I'll still wear them out. But if not, then I can just wear them as like sleep shorts or lounge shorts or something, right? And the last clothing item, and then I got some jewelry, was this set that I was obsessed with in the workout section. I would never work out in this because this has no support. Like this, as soon as I start running, this will go. So I wanted to wear this just as like its own thing. It's its own thing. So you can like make it super short there or longer. This was, oh my god, I was so surprised like of everything. I haven't been in there for a while. $15.99. And then the pads look like this. I don't know, I didn't try them on, but they seemed like, I hate showing black clothing items because you can't really see the detail. They're like ruched in and scrunched in at the bum. So in my mind, I was like, your bum's gonna look huge. And with all these like dots and gator print, you know, it might just make it look badunkadunk. I got these in a size small because I wanted them to go $24.99, but they look like this. It was like a nice little matching outfit. There, you guys could see like the alligator. Yes, croc. Yes, there we go. You can see the butt is all ruched. Okay guys, and then I got some jewelry. She put them in a separate bag. Honestly, she's so sweet. So I got, oh my god, I've been trying to look for all my gold necklaces lately. Can't find any. So I just bought, oh my god, this one's Tangled. This one was $7.99, but they were buy one get one for $1. This one, they do look a little cheapy, but from far away, so they do look a little cheapy, but from far away, you know, they look decent. My Tinder bio. So it has like a little gold coin on it, and then just like this simple chain. It would look really pretty with my outfit on right now, and just for like simple tank tops. And then I got this bracelet. So I never really gravitate to bracelets, but I was like, bitch, you need to start branching out. So I got this one. It had a cute little butterfly on there. Butterflies are my thing right now. It didn't look too fakey. Wee! What? It looks like that, and it would just look adorable. When I get my nails done, I could be like, am I ever gonna wear it? I hope so. Here's hoping, kid. So that was everything that I got at Urban Planet. I hope you guys enjoyed this super short and sweet haul. You guys were requesting it. You guys really wanted to see it. I want to be doing more hauls for you guys because a lot of people are like, I missed your hauls. Why don't you do hauls anymore? I'm like, I feel like I do, but then when I look back, I'm like, I really don't do a lot, and I'm not really posting a lot on this channel, so I'm changing that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and one more final look at my hair. Yes, she's born with it. No, maybe it's fake hair. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's fake hair. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.